All right, here we go, Mr. G again. I had to make a part two for 4 and 5. The reason is because I post these on TikTok, and of course, the limit on TikTok is 10 minutes. So I'll make two videos for that. So here we go. Number 4. Jasmine puts 18 hat. Oh, sorry. Forgot. RDW. Jasmine puts 18 hats away. She puts an equal number of hats on 3 shelves. How many hats are on each shelf? Model the problem with both an array and a labeled strip diagram. Show each column as the number of hats on each shelf. Okay? So we read it. Now we have to draw it. In order to draw it, we got to know what we're drawing. So we know that there's 18 hats. That's our total. And we know they're put into equal number of hats on 3 shelves. 3 shelves. So they want to know how many hats are on each shelf. They want an array and a strip diagram. So let's take a look. So we're going to make 3 columns. We're going to make 3 groups. And in each group, we're going to put 1 until we get to 18. But we also know they're counting by 3s, so we can also count by 3s. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So we've got 3 columns. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each one. Okay. Now we need to do our strip diagram. Okay, strip diagram. Remember, the top, it can be on the top or on the bottom, it doesn't matter. But the one that's the entire length, the entire area is where our total goes. Okay, total. So our total is 18. So we have 18 here. Okay, we have 3 shelves. 3 shelves. So that's the amount of groups. So 3. And we know that 3 times 6 is 18. Let's go to number 5. Well, I drew it and I wrote it. Okay. Let's go to number 5. Number 5. Corey checks out 2 books a week from the library. How many weeks will it take him to check out a total of 14 books? 14 books. Okay. So we know that he checks out 2 books a week. They want to know when you would check out a total of 14 books. So our total is 14. Okay? And there are 2 books a week. Okay? So what we have to do here is we know 14 is our total. We know there's 2 books a week. So I'm going to do squares for the books. And I'm going to go until I get to 14. Now, I see there's 2, so we can count by 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Oh, sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. So we have 2 columns of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 2 columns of 7. Okay. Now we have 7 in each group. So now I got my strip diagram. Okay, so now I'm going to make my strip diagram. Okay. I know again that The one that covers the entire thing is where our total goes. Okay. So our total we know is 14 books. And we are going to put them into a week. So we have the two groups. Okay. And we know it is 7. How do we know it's 7? Well, if you count each column, each one has 7, and there's 2 of them. Okay. Another way you can do it is like I mentioned before, you can always count by 2s until you get to 14. So if we did that, it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You still get 7. All right, that'll do it for the homework. We will see you tomorrow.